In today's video I'll show you how to add shapes and graphics in Descript. We will start on the Descript home screen where you can see all your recent projects. I'll click on this file and Descript will immediately begin opening the project for us. Once the project loads, we can see the text and the video interface right on the screen. Let's head over to the right upper side of the interface and click on the Properties button to open up the options. At the bottom of the Properties panel, I will click on the Add Layer icon. This brings up a new layer menu where we can choose from various options. Let's go down and select Shapes to see what's available. You'll see a submenu appear with geometric options like rectangle, ellipse, waveform, playback progress, line, and arrow. Let's click on rectangle to add one to our canvas. Once the rectangle is on the screen, we can head over to the top toolbar and click on Fill to change its appearance. This opens a color palette, and I am going to select the solid black color option. After making that adjustment, I can grab the corner of the rectangle layer and resize it to match the visual needs of the project. Now let's head back to the panel on the right side and click on the Elements icon. I can scroll through the basic geometric shapes listed here, such as a circle, triangle, or star. Let's click on the triangle shape to add it to our video layout. Just like before, I can click on Fill in the top toolbar and choose solid black from the color panel to match our style. I'll click and drag the triangle to reposition it, sizing it down so it sits neatly within our canvas design. Next, let's explore adding other graphics by clicking on the Media icon in the right-hand panel. This opens up the Media section where you can choose between My Media and Stock options. Let's click on the Stock tab to browse available resources, then click on Images to view the library. I can scroll through the search results to find the perfect image for our composition. Once I find a photo I like, I'll click on it to begin the import process. A window will briefly appear showing the download progress, and once it says Imported, the graphic will appear right on the canvas. I can then select the graphic to resize and arrange it beautifully alongside our shapes. And that's it. That's how you add shapes and graphics in Descript.